Hello Primary 5, how are you doing? Now let's start concept 2, water is as a valuable natural resource, and let's start with lesson 1. In this concept we are going to talk about water, the importance of water, and different water resources on earth. So we know that water is a valuable natural resource that's found in the nature and that's used by living organisms or all living organisms. As we know that all living organisms, humans, animals and plants, all of us, we need water to survive, right? So after some studies we found out that water makes up nearly 2/3 or 2/3 of the human body, and the water is so important to keep our body temperature in its normal state or moderate. And we have different sources of water. As we said before, we have fresh water and salt water on earth. The sources of fresh water, we have rivers, rains, ponds, groundwater, glaciers and streams. And for salt water we have oceans and seas. And we know that we have lakes. Some lakes contain fresh water and some lakes contain salty water. And we have different uses of water. As we said, all of the human body and animals and and the plants, we need water to survive. So for plants, they cannot make the photosynthesis process without water. And also we can use the water in different way or in different uses, as in generating electricity. Like Aswan High Dam, we said that in primary 4 or previously in the last year, that we can generate electricity by the power of water. And also we can use the water in agriculture or in farms. And we have to note that most of lakes contain fresh water and some lakes that contain salt water. So the freshwater lakes on earth are more than the salty water lakes on earth. And we have to conserve the fresh water, or to save the fresh water on earth, as we know that the fresh water is about only 3% of the water that covers the earth. So we have to conserve this fresh water by using the water in a correct way, like drinking more juice instead of water, turning off the water tap during brushing our teeth, taking a quick shower, and turning off the water while washing our hair. So this will save some water or conserve the water. Now let's move to the questions with worksheet 1. Okay, if I say write the scientific term of each of the following, it's a liquid that makes up about 2/3 of the human body. Very good, it's water. Number 2, a type of water which is suitable for drinking. What is the drinkable water? Very good, the fresh water. That's all for this lesson, and thank you for listening.